Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is John Stevenson. We got a 2019 Harris 220 Solstice here. This is a CWDH, so it's a center walkthrough with dual helm seats. We got the black with the silver, platinum silver. Really good looking pontoon. It is a tri-tune. The Mercury 150 on it. Let's go take a look. Welcome to the inside. Like I said, this is a CWDH layout, so center walkthrough, dual helm seats. We did turn on the LED lighting. It is set to blue right now, but if you spin this little dial right here, it does change to all different types of colors. So that's kind of fun. This particular model, we did upgrade to the JL audio. So it has JL audio speakers. It has a subwoofer. This is an awesome party boat out on the lake. We do have storage down on the floor because of the third tune. And this is the nice plush pillow top. So feels really good. This pontoon is amazing. Come on down to MarineMax of Rogers. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. Thank you.